beautiful people, how are you all doing? Wish one and all Shubho Shoshti. Definitely let me know how each one of you are celebrating Navratra and Durga Puja with your family and friends, and I'm sure people those who are away from home must be really missing your family, right? Because I'm doing the same too. Nevertheless, I thought of spiking up the mood by preparing something very interesting, something delicious for breakfast. So today I am going to cook ghugni and luchi, a speciality from West Bengal. So stay tuned to see how I prepared the same. Before that, I wanted to share a review for this particular eyeshadow that I bought yesterday because I am really so pleased with this particular palette. Guys, I have been meaning to buy an eyeshadow palette since a long time, and I have been reviewing eyeshadows on YouTube and otherwise also. So I came across this particular palette from Physicians Formula called Butter Eyeshadow, and the shade is, the name of this palette is Tropical Days. The colors are beautiful, they're basic colors, and right now I am wearing the green eyeshadow that they have here. So these are the colors, guys. I hope it's visible. The green one, can you see? Here, next to the purple shade I'm wearing currently. I wish I could do a tutorial for the same, but I could not because I'm not very good at it. I'm still learning. The day I learn, I'm definitely going to do a tutorial. So also guys, at the back of this palette they have all the name of the shades are mentioned here, and they also have demonstrated few looks using these colors, and it's really helpful and beautiful. And yeah, so the name of this palette is Butter Eyeshadow and it is Tropical Days. All of them are very basic colors. I am going to mention all of this in the description box. This is how the palette looks. You'll get it in any of these drugstore. I bought it from Target and it costed me about $11.99. Not very expensive because I do not like spending a lot in makeup because I'm not very good at it. I'm still learning, but yes, if you guys try this palette, definitely let me know how did you guys like it. So stay tuned. So guys, today, as I just told you, today I'm making some ghugni for breakfast. Ghugni is a very typical Bengali menu, Bengali preparation, an alternative name for chole actually. So how is it little different from chole is we add potato to it. Bengalis just can't live without potatoes. So yeah, otherwise everything else is the same. Here we have some chopped onions, we have some chopped tomatoes, and we'll add some green chilies and some crushed ginger garlic paste and whole garam masala. I'm going to show you what all garam masala we need. Okay guys, so now when the oil is hot enough, I am going to add a little bit of hing, a pinch you can say. Okay, then I'm adding cumin seeds or jeera. I will lower the flame. You can see the smoke is up. So now I'm adding garam masala, wherein we will add some cloves, some cinnamon sticks, and some cardamom and some bay leaves. Okay guys, so now I have added ginger garlic paste, and now I will be adding my chopped onions and my chopped tomatoes. Okay, here you go guys. I have added tomatoes and onions, and now I'll add a pinch of salt and I'll cover and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, enjoying my hot cup of tea. Okay guys, now I'm adding these potatoes. I have added, and I will again cover it with a lid so that my potatoes get cooked. Okay guys, now I'm adding some haldi, turmeric, some red chili, about a teaspoon of red chili powder, some Zeera and Dhania powder. Here Zeera and Dhania powder, it's all mixed here, 1 teaspoon. And guys, now I will add 1 teaspoon of Rajma masala. I know I am not cooking Rajma, but personally I do not like the taste of Chole masale. MDH Rajma masala, it tastes really good. So 1 teaspoon of Rajma masala just for the aroma. Mix all the spices well together and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, now you can see how it's leaving oil, and this is the time I will add my chole. Give it a good mix, and I'll add little bit of warm water, about a cup of warm water to it. Okay guys, so meanwhile, when my ghugni is getting ready, I will prepare my batter for luchi. Here I have about a cup of maida or all-purpose flour. I will add little bit, like a pinch of salt to taste, and I've added about 1 teaspoon of white oil. Otherwise it won't be soft. You need to add this oil to it, or ghee also you can use. And I'm adding little bit of water. So the consistency needs to be little semi-solid, you know. Now it's powdery, right? So we need some more water to it. Here you go. And mix it so well, guys. Mix it so well that it becomes absolutely sweet. And guys, my batter is ready. Here you go guys, it's all ready. I need to fry them, luchi. And here is my ghugni or chole, whatever you call it. So let's get started. I just can't wait to eat them. So guys, it's finally ready, today's breakfast, luchi and ghugni. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know what are you guys cooking. All special delicacies for Navratra and Durga Puja. I'll be more than happy to know from you guys. Bye for now. Have an amazing time. Stay safe. Love, much love to all of you.